So hi guys, so today I'm so excited about this, guys. Dumating na yung package. So our package has arrived and I'm so excited about this because you know we work in the morning and then I don't want to drink coffee all the time in the morning because you know we try to be healthy. So I found this online and there's a lot of reviews about it. So I bought one and now it's arrived, so we're gonna do unboxing but we will not try it yet because I don't have fruits with me. So I bought this, tada! BlendJet. So it's actually, they actually always comes up on my news feed on YouTube, but on Facebook or whatever. But our store, there's a store in nearby that they have a stock, so I bought one and it arrived. It takes about a week before it arrived, but it's right, it's here. It is, I think it's $67 for this one. So we will try and unbox. So it's portable, it's chargeable, and then you can have it smoothie in the morning for breakfast instead of coffee, you know, especially summertime. So let's have something refreshing in the morning before we go to work, because usually we have I have breakfast at 10 o'clock in the morning. That's usually we have the time to have a break. So I decided while I'm driving, I'm gonna have a smoothie instead. I don't want to wreck this though. I don't want to wreck the box. It's precious. Oh my god, the color, I'm so loving it. There's so many colors, guys, you can choose for this. It's not a sponsored video, but I just want to show you. Ta-da! It's very tiny though. Like, it's, how many mls is this? 475 ml, so 16 ounce. And here it is. Dun, 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 dun. And it's bubble wrapped. BlendJet. Here we go. And it comes with a, it's very it's not really sophisticated. So this one's comes in a box. This is like a information thing on how to use them, and also if you want some recipes, it's there, and instructions is there as well. It's got a little cable charger. It doesn't have power or whatever you call this one. It doesn't have this, but you can use any phone charger. You can just connect with this, but I'm gonna steal this because this husband's. I'm gonna take this one because it's tiny, so this is mine now. But anyway, it comes with these. Let's see how long it is. That's how long it is. It's like that long, the charger. And it's in bubble wrap. Ooh, it's so small. And this one's got there. It's got a handle, which is very silicone-y. It's not plastic or anything. It's a silicone handle. And I think you can adjust. No, you can't adjust, but yeah. So that's a handle. It's very light. It says it's only, how many grams is this? It didn't say how many grams, but it's pretty light. And it's made of glass as well. So let's open that one. And this is the leaflet inside. All right, so do not let children use unattended. Do not put your hands inside. Do not put hot liquids over 49 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that is how it looks like, guys. So it's got a blade. Oh, it's really sharp blade. So whoever invented this is very clever. So look at the blades inside. Look at it. But I'll show you closely. So yeah, you just put your stuff here. And then you put the lid on. And you can just take it anywhere you want. And then if you want to wash it, you just put the dishwashing liquid inside and water. And then let it go. So let's try and charge it. So let's have a look at the instructions first. It takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge and last for 15 blends. Okay. You first blend. Charge your BlendJet with the USB for 1 hour until you see a solid blue circle. Right, so we will charge this. So I'll show you guys up close and personal. So ito siya. So that's how it looks like. The blade inside. Look closely with the blade. Super sharp blade. That's how it is. That's the measurements. That's the handle. Is very flexible. It's very silicone plastic. And let's charge it, shall we? Alright. Let's have a look if we can charge this here. It's plugged in. Plug it in here. Okay, that's charging. Oh my god, look at the light. So it says here, charge for 1 hour or until you see a blue solid circle. So that's still charging because it's not solid blue. And then ensure the arrows on the back of jar bases are closely aligned. Flashes white. Power button will flash light. White. With a drop of soap, then rinse it clean. Visit BlendJet. Add liquid first and throw in your solids. Leave the room on the top. Tighten the lid. Alright, we should try this. Okay. Let's go. So, i-try natin guys. Na-charge na siya. Tapos, lagyan natin ng, meron tayo ditong frozen banana, kiwi, at pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng milk. So, yan siya. Okay. And then, lagyan din natin siya ng avocado. Lagyan natin ng diced frozen avocado. Just not much. Just maybe a little bit. Okay. Lagyan natin ng kaunting milk. Tapos lagyan natin yung ating avocado. And see the action. So inside pala guys, there's is a rubber seal so it doesn't leak. So this is this has been charged already. So let's put a little bit milk, more milk. That will do. That should be enough. Okay. So whenever you're ready, wherever you're going, you can just add the milk later and then see the action. Okay, so there it is. So it says is one cycle is 20 seconds. So that's one cycle, but it's not fully melted, but you can add more cycle if you want. So there's still a little bit of kiwi left there on top, and then let's whisk it one more time, one more cycle. So you can do more settings if you want. Okay, so that's just a bit too thick for me. So you can put more milk if you need to. And that is super blended. So it's super blended, guys. There's no lumps, and it's more quieter than the previous blender that I have. So this is, look at it, it's only 2 blends and it's so soft. Yummers. Let's try. That's good. So guys, you can put more cycle if you need to, if you want more finer texture, and then you can just go like this and drink wherever you want. That is good. Very very fine. BlendJet. So that's all, guys. That's pretty actually good. I love that. It's not as noisy as the one that I have, and the thing is, I like it because it's portable, and my dog's got my squeaky toy. It's very portable and it's easy washable. So when you want to wash it, guys, just drop 1 drop of dishwashing liquid. Come on, Till. A little bit of water, just like that. And then you just press this. And now it's washed. Now you just have to rinse. It didn't leak or anything, so that's good. Just a little rinse. If you want to rinse with water like this, you just put water and then another rinse. Turbo rinse. And then you'll just dry it up. Pretty easy. Don't need to put it in the dishwasher, or else the motor will surrender. So just dry it up, air dry it, or rinse it, and that's how it's done. Nice and clean. That's the BlendJet, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.